Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Here's my 2005 Roll King Classic right here. And I'm just gonna do a quick update here on this bags, give you some thoughts and all that. All right, so I'm pretty sure everybody knows this, but the Classic come with leather bags. So I kind of wanted to keep it on that style, right? The bags or the leather bags. So, but again, I wanted to have stretch bags. I didn't want to have the bags that come in the Harley, but I did want to have that style of being black bags and leather. Essentially, Viking Bags is pretty much one of the only companies that you're going to be able to do that with. I don't know any other companies. If you guys know, put in the comment and let me know. But again, you know, Viking Bags is a really excellent company. They have been here, I want to say maybe 2 years, or obviously over a year and a half for sure. And again, this is kind of what we have right here. So you can buy them, you know, just your standard bags, or you can buy them like this. This is the stretch bag. And again, I'm going to give you a quick look so you guys can have an idea. Again, very happy with these bags. I do have the trunk as well. Very happy with the trunk as well. If you want to go for the trunk, go for it. It's going to be a pretty cool setup. But here's like my little Cholo Roll King Classic right here. This is kind of how it looks, giving you a quick look. I know aesthetics is an important thing. Some of you guys may want to make sure that it looks good, specifically, you know, something right there in the middle. I wanted to get something to cover those holes, but you know what? I like it. I like it like that. I think it's kind of old school. Obviously, the 2005 has a slimmer tire, and you kind of looks like this, and I do like it a lot. So a year and a half, 2 years, whatever it is, and this is kind of how it looks right there. I'm gonna tell you, very happy with it. I really haven't done much to it. I know it's horrible because I got a lot of money into this bike, but I haven't done anything to it. I haven't done any conditioner or anything like that. I think maybe one time I put some conditioner. So if you buy them and you pretty much don't do nothing to it, this is kind of how they're gonna look, right? So again, they are really fantastic. I'm very happy with it. If you get this bags, the main complaint you're gonna hear people talking about, it's gonna be that you need a key to open them all. Again, it is what it is. You do need a key, but to me, it's really not a big deal. This is kind of how it looks. This is the hinges right there, giving you an example. Here's a lock right there, giving you an example, and this is kind of how it looks in the inside, right? Hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of hard to see it with the camera, but this is kind of how it looks. Just your standard inside bag. I know it's a lot of money, so sometimes, you know, people want to be really sure. This right here is plastic. Obviously it says Viking Bags. I wish it would have something that doesn't say anything, but obviously they want to have the branding in there. The little plastic, it does get a little bit of sun. You could tell a little bit different between this one and the other bag. Obviously the sun kind of hits this one, but again, you know, if you get emerald or something like that, it does just fine. It looks just, you know, as bright or whatever it's supposed to look like. But again, that's the look right there. I'm gonna give you a walk around. One thing that you can expect from them is that a lot of times they are running special. So take advantage of that. Sometimes they do 20% off. And when they do 20% off, it's just really nice, right? Because you could save some money on that, right? Obviously, they connect down here and they do have a quick detach that you could just twist, take them out, put them back in there. I don't remember if they come with that. I really don't remember that. I don't remember if they come with those attachments or that or not, but you probably have your own in your regular motorcycle. All right, guys, there you have it. One last look. Viking Bags, I love them. Really not too much to complain about. I paid for that with my own money and I still like them.